It's hard to argue that we have not created, for all the right reasons, an economic recession. What I would say is that today is a very interesting day. I think part of it has to do with the end of the quarter, the end of the month, the pension rebalancing, but there's definitely a lot of optimism out there today. I think it's hard to fight the Fed. It's hard to remain at panicked levels for so long. You have a lot of optimism around the stimulus level and the Federal Reserve and the bazooka of tools that it's brought out. You have, I think, continued optimism or refreshed optimism here around this tension that we've seen between policymakers on the economic side and public health officials, and going to the end of April, I think, aligns that better. And I also think that there's some optimism and enthusiasm today, whether it's bringing the naval boat up to New York, which you can see and gives an experience of calm for some of us New Yorkers, or just on the vaccine and the front of the testing. So definitely low volume, some enthusiasm. Hopefully this continues for a while, but we're not there yet.
You've given us a lot to think about, Alli, but Eddie, I want to drill down on one of the things that Alli mentioned early in her answer there, and it's one that I'm hearing a lot about in the past few days, and that is month-end and quarter-end rebalancing. How much of the rise that we have seen in the past 4 days, really from Tuesday forward through today, really 5, I guess, do you attribute to that kind of rebalancing as portfolios get reshaped in light of the losses they've suffered?
I think that's a very big part of it. There's been a lot of chatter about the size of the rebalancing trade that needed to occur by the end of the first quarter. So as pension funds and other large institutions that have multi-asset portfolios see their bond portfolios hold up fairly well, their equity portfolios fall, there's this automated rebalancing that needs to occur. Now, some of that rebalancing happened last week and was part of the reason the market was strong last week. Some of it may have been other investors anticipating that bid to the market and front-running those trades. But we're going to find out, because tomorrow is officially rebalancing day. I'm hearing estimates anywhere from $75 billion to $153 billion to buy. And then after that, we're into a period where that's done. A lot of companies are in their blackout period in terms of buybacks. Buybacks are suddenly very unpopular anyway as companies look to preserve capital. So there may be a lack of a bid to the market after we get past tomorrow. We'll have to see what happens.